listen, if this St. Patrick's Day has you hankering for some traditional Irish soda bread, then you can head over to O'Toole's Way at Hudson Yards. It's an Irish-American-inspired restaurant and bar serving authentic Irish fare every day.
Yeah, not just
Not
March
just today,
17th.
that's right.
Joining us right now to show us how to make some of the best Irish soda bread in the city and the world is Chef Barry Tonks right now.
Thank you so much. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
And Chef has some jokes. We can't repeat them right now, but we were just having a cute little hoot and a holler.
Not this time of day.
Not this. Well,
Yeah.
Well, you know.
can you set us off on the right track before we get into the Irish soda bread?
Sure. So I'm going to make you guys an Irish coffee
Great.
before we start.
It's a good way to
Great.
start.
I think it's crucial to start with an Irish coffee on St. Patrick's Day
Yes.
before,
Yes.
before we make or even taste the soda bread.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
I'm here for that.
So
Candice
What's
has
the
never had
earliest
one.
you can have an Irish coffee?
What's the latest?
What's the latest?
Candice has never had an Irish
never had
coffee,
one.
so can you just run through the ingredients for him?
So in the glasses, I have some whiskey. I've used Bushman's today.
Okay.
I've
like
got
Bushmans.
a Demerara sort of sugar syrup,
Sure.
which gives it a bit of sweetness.
yeah.
Okay.
And I've just topped it up with some hot coffee.
Okay.
And here I have, it's almost like a semi-whipped cream, but in here I have
a lot.
like a coffee liqueur and a bit of espresso in there.
Okay.
Oh my God.
So
I don't
this
know,
is
will
going
I
to
be
wake us
fly-
up.
Yeah.
You're going to be flying.
Okay.
Oh, this is very nice.
Now, there's a lot of riding on this, guys.
Yes, there is. I don't know what it is, but
I'm the food guy.
that's
But
beautiful.
Today is
Oh, you're the food guy, but today you're
the
trying your
first
hand at
time I
mixology.
have ever
You've
made
poured it
Irish
in.
coffee on live television.
Look at that.
that.
That's beautiful.
Good job for your first try, sir.
So,
All right.
And
let's
those
do it.
slippery laches, they're always watching us when we're imbibing. This is
Drew's
unbelievable.
waiting for his right now.
oh, sorry,
Thank you,
little
Chef.
spillage there.
All right. Cheers.
Sante. What do you say?
Sante.
What's a typical Irish?
Slancha.
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 Dale.
Slancha.
Yeah,
Con
dale.
gusto.
That works.
The
Right?
hot
If the
and cold
mixologist
and-
calls out sick,
I'm in.
You did a great job.
I'm in. Thank you.
Perfect.
Thank
all right.
you.
I'm going
All
to move
right.
out of the way.
Yep. So we're going to move on. Sorry.
We're going to make soda
get in
bread.
here.
We're going to make
Get in
soda
here,
bread.
get in
Yes,
here.
sir.
So I was saying, is it like a scone? What is it?
I mean,
also never had an
yes,
Irish soda
it's
bread.
very similar to a scone or a scone, wherever you're
Scone?
from.
How do you?
Scone-
What do you call it?
I call it a scone.
A scone.
I think it depends where you're from. You either call it a scone or a
Okay.
scone.
I'm going to start calling it a scone.
All right.
I like.
Where
the
are you
word.
from?
I'm from Newcastle.
Okay.
Um,
I am asking you like I know exactly where that is. now,
Exactly.
right?
You said Newcastle. I'm like,
So,
sure.
north of England, but raised in Scotland.
Oh, that's
Okay,
what I
sure.
am.
And now in New York, making soda bread for you guys.
Great.
Okay. Well,
Right?
Okay.
So, first one, flour. We're going to start with some flour.
Okay.
I'd say, well, no, I wouldn't say it, but 450 grams of plain flour.
Okay.
I got some sugar, salt,
Mm-hmm.
So, all right.
Baking.
baking powder.
Baking.
Crucial.
Baking powder.
Crucial. So this is like a quick bread, so it doesn't need time to rise like
Yeah.
you would do a yeast bread. Butter.
You're not going to mix the dry ingredients first?
That's what you're supposed to do,
Now
right?
you're putting me under pressure because in the magic of television,
Why are you calling him out?
here's one I prepared earlier.
Oh!
So what I would do with this is incorporate your dry, you're correct, and incorporate your diced butter. And you want to mix that until you get like a breadcrumb consistency.
Okay.
So like you would do at home economics or school when you're making scones or any sort of cake, you would use your thumb and then get a crumb base.
I have no idea what you're talking about, but okay.
Neither do I, but it sounds really good, right? It sounds really good. So we'll ride with this one. So
then-
dry ingredients, butter's rubbed in.
The most
Got it.
expensive
Egg.
item right here.
One singular egg.
Yep. Wait.
73 cents an egg. Can you believe it? Crazy.
Okay.
Oh, that's a bargain.
Yeah.
It is.
Yeah.
And is this buttermilk?
Full,
Buttermilk.
full fat.
Did you churn it yourself?
Well, I did. Same with the butter. So I was up at 4 o'clock this morning, milking the cows, churning the butter just for you guys.
Milking the cows and turning the butter at
telling
4
you.
o'clock this
I'm
morning.
telling you.
That's great.
Yeah.
So again, it's getting a little bit messy, but I'll just speed things up. So we just mix that up.
Okay.
You didn't put, because the one ingredient about soda bread that is a little polarizing is the rye, what's the fennel, the dry fennel. Come on. What's the,
What?
what's the ingredients?
The person that doesn't cook.
No, there's one ingredient.
No.
For
No.
soda
Bobby,
bread?
what's it called? What do you put in Irish soda bread that some people like and some people don't? And suddenly everyone's mute.
Nobody
I'll
knows
Google-
what
I'll
you're talking
Google it
about.
later.
Guinness?
So what's the next step after this?
Okay, so now I'm going to add the raisins.
Okay.
So we're going to add the raisins in there. And then we're just gonna give it a little mixy, okay?
Those
Okay.
are fresh raisins.
Fresh raisins. Again, I like to make this the night before, and I like the raisins or the sultanas to macerate in that mix. So I always
Okay.
make it the night before,
And then-
so it's quicker.
Yeah.
So
Through the power of television.
by the power of television, here's one I prepared earlier. So again, this is how your mix will look. Beautiful.
It's a lot of work.
That's
Nice and
lot
sticky.
a lot of work.
It's not that difficult.
Is it?
No, it's
Really?
very easy.
Yeah.
It's very
All right.
easy.
Yeah, just stop by his restaurant.
Or
and-
yeah,
just-
we're selling it all day. In fact, every day.
Are we,
So we'll take this
should we?
and we put it in here.
Yep.
That's a cute
That's
little-
lined. This recipe makes about four cast iron skillets
Great.
or one large loaf.
Wow.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
We'll bake that for about 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Let's do
wow.
this. And you made a compound butter for us?
I did. So I've got here compound butter. I'm under pressure
The
now, guys. Made with
Marmite.
Marmite. So I whipped some butter,
Yep.
and I've added some Marmite into that, so we get that sweet and sour, sort of sweet and savoury thing going on.
Yep.
I'll get some plates for you guys.
Okay.
I've cut it for you already.
Oh, gosh.
you already did?
Chef,
Wow, look
do
at
your
that.
thing.
Just organised.
This has
Sorry.
been a pleasure.
Sorry. Right.
Thank you.
I'm just going to show you something quickly. I'm going to put the salt in there. Right.
Oh.
You've got to have it. You've got to try it, guys. Soda bread. Soda
that.
bread.
Well, shut my
Please
mouth.
try it with the butter.
I'm going to try all of it.
Try all of it.
Thank you so much.
And it's not as heavy
Happy-
as I thought it would be.
No, please try
Really
it.
light.
Head over
I will.
to O'Toole's, 418 West 30th, right here in the Big Apple.